This is Danish from jobskillshare.org. As you guys can see, this is 6:30. So today I'm going to take you guys on a tour on what happened after work hours. Life is busy, man, over here. So I'm going to take you guys and show you guys behind the scenes on hands-on training on jobskillshare.org. So then I get to the room after this and we'll start our training. Alright, so this is where action is happening behind the scene. So we have one person sitting out there, another person right here, another person right here, and then we have a boat. So, but since this is a behind the scene video, there's not much in this video. I'm going to do a little quick demo video. Maybe this will help someone who is finding or wanting to know about different careers in IT. Now, like I said, this is not a real video. I really don't do this like this, but since this is just a video for YouTube, so I'm going to make it very rough. The way I start in most of my training, I basically tell people that, before OSI, TCP, and all these CompTIA certification to confuse you, we do an image kind of thing. So we'll put an image in your head. To do that, we will first say, oh, this is the connection that you get from AT&T, Comcast, and forget about how you get it. And most of the time I tell people, this is the building, and let's talk about different IT careers in a company. In a company where we're thinking about a stable company that can get multiple IT guys, and that's how you are going to be preparing for yourself for a professional job. So most of the time I say, this is the building, and in this building we have a server room right here. In this server room you have network devices, mostly routers and switches, and I kind of tell people, okay, these are routers, these are switches, these are other things in there, firewalls, and I tell them that most of the time, the people who work on this, routing, switching, these are terms that people that use, is the guys, networking guys, and they usually go for CCNA type of course. So do your search in Google, see what CCNA is. These are the people that work on routers. Let's say I help this person call someone that a port is down, or I need the switch is down, stuff like that. Who's working on that? That's the Cisco guys, network engineers. That's the kind of titles they get, okay? Junior level networking guys and stuff like that. Then there's some servers. These switches are connected to servers, big servers, database servers, VMware, virtualization, some other things, related to server systems. And this server can hold sites, so your major company sites. These are the people, they are systems administrators. Systems admins. Okay, sysadmin, usually that's short term. These are the guys that work on most of the systems like servers, Microsoft servers, Linux servers, systems like websites, IIS, Apache. These are the terms that you will hear, backup systems, and you work on that. This is a title that they use, junior system administrator. And specific to Windows, they will say Windows system administrator. If it's a Linux guys, they will say Linux administrators, other things like that. Now, that's just two very quick and general type of thinking that I'm doing right now. Networking, Cisco guys, Windows and stuff like that, Linux system administrator, and then after that you have desktops. These are the offices. They're connected or LAN and Wi-Fi and stuff. These are the guys that are help desk, IT support technicians, junior level, and this is where you start. So the reason I do the image is that you need to know where you're starting, and then once you have that in your head that, okay, I am applying somewhere, what am I going to be doing? So the help desk guys work with users. My office is not working, my password need to be reset. Oh, there's a new user is joining the company, can you add them to Active Directory? And things like that. This is what you do. And of course, after this, even with this live training we do this, we are blended our courses with jobskillshare.org. This is where you get the 100 hours, and some short courses are 8 hours, 2 hours. All of these are in online format, so you basically get to see videos in reality. We go to offices like this. So let's move the camera right here a little bit. So we go to office we show you exactly how to set up these computers. We tell you exactly what problems these people will have. So this is a quick video I want to tell you guys that this is how we do things over here. And sometimes we create videos and we put that on a website. And sometimes we create videos to show it to our members who are taking live training with us. So there's a camera, there's everything, and recording and all that stuff. So thank you for watching the behind the scene video, and I'll see you guys in one of my other professional videos. If you guys like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up, or if you have any comments, make sure you put it below. Thank you. The video is so quick, I forgot to mention that it's not only these three. This was just to kind of give you guys an overall image, but of course there's security guys right here. So I'm going to make this little hat right here. These are the security guys, and they work on different things also. That's the IT security team that does PCI scanning, finding out vulnerabilities, who did what and all that kind of stuff. Firewall you'll be working on. And then there's a web team. You know, they only work on websites, and that's a different type of IT, web development. I don't consider this to be a part of this area because this is more infrastructure and you're working on technical stuff and hands-on. And yes, websites are also technical. That's a little bit different side, because most of the time you will get a help desk calls from the web team, and they work with engineers and stuff like that. They have their own learning, so we're not covering that over here right now. Then there's another team, programmers, and of course we're not covering that also. So this is P programming, and that's another field of IT where you build programs and things like that. So it's separated. I know a lot of people will ask me in this question. So remember, this video is just a rough video. That's why I'm not putting anything here, just to give you guys an idea. Hopefully this also will help someone.